Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and in this review I'm going to show you this beautiful My Mini sandwich maker. This is very small sandwich maker and makes yummy sandwiches in just few seconds. So I have box here. You can see all the details on the box, and I'm gonna unbox this box for you, and then we'll see how the products looks like, and then we will use it and see how this mini sandwich maker makes yummy sandwiches. So here we have instructions manual. Please read the instructions manual before using any product. So I already unboxed the product and take out the sandwich maker, My Mini sandwich maker. The color is so beautiful. I really love this color, and there is an indicating light on the top of this. When we will plug it, the indicator light will turn on. You can see the bottom, there are non-slippable two black color bands, so when you put it on the counter it's not gonna slip. So and when I open the sandwich maker, the look is very sleek. It looks so beautiful and so wonderful, and it is also non-stick, so your sandwiches will not stick on it. So now I'm going to untie the wire and see how long the length for this cable, and I think it's very good for countertop use, so I'm gonna use it on the counter. So it's very good for countertop usage. So I'm going to show you how to use this now. So we are going to make yummy cheese sandwich in this mini sandwich maker. I'm using whole wheat bread slices, and we are using mozzarella cheese, or you can use any kind of cheese of your choice. I'm also putting some parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes on top of it. If you want to add some black pepper or any other spices of your choice, that's totally fine. You can make your own choices. So just like turn the lid off, and now it's time to plug it in and have a look on the light, the indicator light. When we plug it in, the indicator light will turn on, and it will take few seconds to make your sandwich, and it makes very crispy sandwiches. Once the indicator light is on, don't touch it, don't touch the outer surface, it's very hot, and the indicator light will turn off when your sandwich is ready. So our light is turned off. I just open the sandwich maker and see how the sandwich is looking like. So it's very crispy, it's very yummy, and cheese is melted very nicely. This mini sandwich maker is my new favorite sandwich maker, and it will be on my go-to sandwiches maker machine. So I will use it for every day, and even it's very good for using with the kids. Like they can use it, they can also use it, but under the adult supervision. You can see how the cheese is melted. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to comment your ideas or opinion in the comment section. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.